Hey folks, think you need brakes? Listen to this sound. That's a sign that you need brakes. Forwards. And backwards. And you know what the other sound is? Watch this. Look at this rotor. See how it's nice and shiny through the whole thickness of it? Let's go to the back. See a problem here? Okay. It's only touching in the middle there. The rest is all rusted. That's one of your problems. And watch this. When I spin the wheel, that kind of stops pretty good. Watch this one. This one's got the little grooves in there. Alright, so yeah, this is no good either. But watch this wheel spin. Spinning forever. So either that one is binding on the other side, or this one is stuck and the caliper is stuck out and it's not touching. Alright, let's go to the other front. Same thing here. Got a couple of little grooves here and there, a little rust coming in. But you gotta change pads, you gotta do rotors too. Alright, this one's not making any noise, but the pads are down, so it's gonna be 4-wheel brakes and rotors. That's it. Ciao. Alright, this is just to show you what the rotors look like in the back. Okay, lots of times the back is even worse. So here was the left front. Look kind of normal, like a normal rotor, right? Wears out, nice and wide. Look what the back looks like. See that? There's a lot of your noise right there. There's a lot of the rust. You can see. All right, these are little heat marks. Okay. This customer was sold pads a while ago and never changed the rotors, so now it's pads and rotors. All right. When you have bad rotors and you change pads only, those new pads are going to wear out really, really fast. And I don't know if you can see this, but you can see it's a little bit of a curve coming up. Okay, because this is all worn out, and this is going to eat up your pads really fast. All right. So let's go to the other rotor. Remember this one? This one was the left rear. Okay. See the rotor there? Only wearing out on the inside. Look what the back looks like. Just as bad, if not worse. Okay. See the rust? See how lifted up it is? This will eat up your new pads, because your new pads are wide. So this is going to eat up your new pads if you did it the cheap way. All right. You can see the little noise starting to make here. See how shiny it is? That's when you know it's getting even worse. All right. So let's continue. Let's go with the right rear. Here's what the rotor looks like. That you see through your wheels. Okay, you can see it, those shiny parts. Look what the back looks like. See that? Same thing. Contact surface is 3/4. Go to the front. This is the right front. Okay, right front. Look at this rotor. Same thing. All right, got little heat marks here and there. That's a hammer mark, because you don't need them. Hit it with a hammer, get it right out. Look what the back looks like. There you go. Right, you can see the shiny marks. Okay, that's where your brake pads are touching. They're just touching the pad itself on the outside edges. All right, here it is over here. You can see this mark. All right, so I know rotors are expensive. You got to do what you got to do, people. Pads and rotors, you do it together, and you'll be surprised. Look at the materials on the inside. Okay, on both of them. Okay, like I said. Okay. You see it? You see the curve here. The rust ate up the pad surface here. This pad surface here is what's actually working. See that? How thin it is over there. All right, it's worth the money. Invest it. Pads and rotors, every brake job, including the hardware. Okay, that's it. Brakes 101. Thanks for watching.